Welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing good. So, today we will be discussing about the product of OK Life Care, which is Calcium Plus D3. Before moving further, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, what is Calcium Plus D3? It is bones and joints wellness product. Calcium Plus D3 helps in healthy bones and joints, bone mineral density, and prevents osteoporosis. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. 99% of the calcium is found in bones and teeth. When our diet doesn't supply the needed amount of calcium, then the body takes calcium from bones and uses it to maintain a proper amount of calcium in blood and muscles, while the excess calcium leaves the body through urine. Therefore, long-term calcium deficiency can cause bone loss and disorders like osteoporosis. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Having the right amounts of vitamin D and calcium is important for keeping bones strong, so you can fulfill your calcium deficiency with our Calcium Plus D3 dietary supplement tablets. Calcium Plus D3 tablets help in improving bone density and reducing the chances of fracture in older women and men. This combination is used to prevent low blood calcium levels in people who do not get enough calcium from their diets. These minerals are the building blocks of bones that maintain strong bones and muscles. It reduces the risk of osteoporosis and is particularly useful for men and women of all ages. Calcium is required by our bodies to protect us from high blood pressure, heart attacks, and premenstrual syndrome. If you are enjoying today's video, do hit the like button. Now, we will be discussing some key benefits of Calcium Plus D3, which are: it contains calcium citrate malate, CCM, the most bioavailable calcium source, and vitamin D3, which together improves bone strength. It contains vitamin D3, which is essential for the absorption of calcium, ensuring that calcium enriches the bones. It helps strengthen the bones and increase bone density. It also aids in mediating the constriction and relaxation of blood vessels, muscle contraction, and secretion of hormones. It supports bone and teeth health by reducing the rate of bone loss and the risk of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. So, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Do like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.